juniors, and welcome back to Computer Systems and Programming. For this video, we will be going over the concept of conditional statements and how they are used in programming and in code. A conditional statement is like a flowchart for decision making in programming. You set a condition, and if it is met, there is a condition execution. If not, there is an alternate execution. So for an example, let's say I have 5 apples, and we have a conditional statement that said, if apples equals 5, print Samantha has 5 apples, else print Samantha has no apples. So for this scenario, it would print Samantha has 5 apples. Because in the beginning, I stated we began with 5 apples, so that would be the action, and the condition is true, so it would go to the action that it is printing. Let's say that in the beginning, I had 0 apples instead of 5, and we go through the condition, if apples equals 5. In this case, it would be false, so it goes down to the else, and it would print Samantha has no apples because my condition is false. So here is an example of a flowchart. This is a conditional flowchart. So you start in the beginning, which is at the top, and you go down to get time. Then once you have time, you go down to the first condition, and it says it is 10 p.m. So if it is 10 p.m., you go down to go to sleep, and that is the end of your program. But if it is not 10 p.m., you work on math homework, and as you are working on math homework, you can go back to get time. And if it is still not 10 p.m., then you keep working on your homework until it is 10 p.m., and that condition would be true. And it would return yes, and then you would go to sleep, and that would be the end. I hope this helps you all understand the concept of conditional statements a little bit more, but we will be learning more in the next video, which is the conditional statements practice video. And that is all I have for you today. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to attend my student hours or email me, and I will see you all later.